Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 16th and 17th of June. Pisces, your channel cards are the 8 of Pentacles, the number 2, and Coffee Cup. So the Coffee Cup talks about meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, and friendship. So I'm getting bonding over a cup of coffee. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's not for you. That's not for you. Stop. You need to take out that fucking straight weave and stop making people invite you to fucking coffee. All right? We're getting something about friendship. No, something might start off as friends, as in the number 2. 2 usually talks about partnership. 2 is a sign of Pisces. 2 is a sign of Libra. Okay? Who else is a 2? I think Pisces and Libra, both of them are 2s. Okay? So I'm getting something about something starting off very slow. It going to develop into something maybe serious. I was also hearing an all-you-can-eat buffet. Something about all-you-can-eat. All-you-can-eat. I'm getting something about all-you-can-eat. Is this Mandarin? Is this Mandarin? No, from when I go Mandarin? It's been over 3 years since I went to fucking 2 years. How much years? 2021, 22, 23, 24. A long time since I've been to fucking Mandarin. I'm getting something about an all-you-can-eat buffet. Okay? All you can eat. Maybe somebody's bringing you out for lunch or dinner. Alright? But I'm getting somebody's very, very busy. They're usually very, very busy. I'm getting somebody don't even really have time for a relationship. But I'm getting this person is so busy, them only have time to allot one person in them life at a time. Because I'm getting the person busy with work or whatever this is. Somebody might own like a coffee shop, or them own like a restaurant that serves coffee or something like that. But I'm getting something about all you can eat. I don't know if you're meeting a restaurant owner. That's like, you know what, anytime you want, just come to the restaurant. It's on me. Maybe something like that. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Those are the connections you should develop. You're developing fans. You're developing motherfuckers who are hating on your fucking career. You should have friend a restaurant owner. You could go there every fucking day and have breakfast. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. If me didn't know one restaurant owner, but I did every blood clot day. Every day I would have dressed up like I'm going on a date. And when I go, they go sit down and be like, the usual, please. Anyways, that's the perks of cooking a restaurant owner. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. So I'm getting somebody like a bond, you know, I'm getting somebody very proud of them work. Somebody might talk about them job a lot. I'm very proud of it. But I'm getting something is, I'm getting somebody want to meet you under a very quiet circumstance where it's just you two, okay? But I'm getting something about a buffet. Not Warren Buffett. Buffet. Let's go. We have the Hangman coming out first. All right. We also have the 4 of Cups. We have the 8 of Cups. We have the 5 of Pentacles. And we also have the Page of Wands. All right. Okay, I'm getting something about, you don't like social drinking. And it could be something as simple as coffee. You don't like to drink coffee in a social setting. You would drink coffee if it's a one-on-one, two-on-two situation. I don't know if you're religious. All right. We have the Hangman and the 4 of Cups. Because I'm getting it in a energy, Pisces, where you don't want to have fun. You don't want to drink. You don't want to let loose. Worse if you're a young person. Like you're just always by yourself. I'm getting people might offer you for let's come out, have a good time. But I'm kind of getting something about being intoxicated or being high and then being left abandoned. I'm not sure if this is someone's strategy to get you. I'm getting somebody will come to you. All right, we have 5 of Pentacles here. So whatever is being provided for you, I'm getting you're not the one who's paying for it. It's somebody else. Maybe you're very young, so somebody feel like them obligated to take care of you because you're younger than them, if this is a relationship. I'm also getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that felt abandoned by you. I'm getting you used to know this guy. I don't know if somebody is having housing problem at the moment with the Five of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles, or I'm getting something about you set a date with somebody, but the reason why them couldn't fulfill the date is because they didn't have money. I feel like they should have told you that them couldn't afford the date rather than just ghost you. But me getting somebody's going through a financial distress, which is why whatever plan you guys had, maybe somebody will bring it to coffee on a coffee date because them cannot afford a date. I'm not sure. Now in the middle here we have the Eight of Cups, which is abandonment. Like me seeing you around a table, and I don't know if you have brunch or you have dinner, and then the liquor come out. And when the liquor come out, you decide to say, okay, it's my time to leave. And people are like, why are you leaving? Why are you leaving? I'm getting because they say you don't want do something socially. Because you know what alkaline say. What him say? Dean, come party with the Dan, babes, and nothing. If you drink it there with your man, you want security, then me know where to get it from. Me never searching on your phone, I'm not that type of man. Maybe you don't drink unless it's your man with you. You don't drink unless it's somebody close to you. Come getting you here and everything is going okay, and as soon as the liquor come out, you leave. You say, no, I ain't into this shit. Or it could be something about, let's clarify some more. Come getting one person invite you out, you said no. The second person invite you out, you said no. The third person invite you out, you said no. The fourth person invite you out, you said no. Maybe everybody who is inviting you out, them want to get intoxicated out. Which is weird, because how are you going to invite me to a restaurant? You're going to pick me up, go to a restaurant, and then you're going to drink. How you going to drive home? The Hangman is clarified by the 8. We have 88. Is somebody racist? 88, HH. We're getting something about meeting somebody in a one bar. Did you meet somebody in a bar? We're getting something about you going to a bar and you drink and you don't know how you reach home. I don't know if you and your friend, you and this girl, I'm getting when you go to the bar. I don't know if men are buying you a lot of drinks. Or not drink with these men. I'm getting how you're going to reach home, especially if you're a female. You have to think about these things. Maybe you used to hang around a girl or a guy who used to drink a lot. I'm getting them drink and them sloppy, and them drink and them don't even conscious of them safety. So you stop hanging out with them. The Four of Cups is clarified by the Page of Cups. Okay, so we have 80. We have 8 of Cups 2 times. We have Page of Cups 2 times. Me getting something is going to repeat. This is a repeat of something. Maybe somebody will try to test you out again. I'm getting something about you intoxicated and you roam. You roam around. Like you just a roam around. You don't know where you go. You don't know what you're doing. I'm getting something about this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Like somebody want to invite you out. Now, are they trying to invite you to a bar for drink, or they might bring you to dinner first and then you have a glass of wine after dinner? Because it's different. If somebody just want to get you intoxicated and high, obviously it's for sexual reasons. If somebody wants to spend time with you, because I'm sure there's people who invite each other out for coffee, but them spike them coffee while I'm out on a date with you. I'm pretty sure that happens. They will bring a little thing full of alcohol. When them get them coffee, them pour it in and sit down and talk to you. Because I'm getting somebody really likes alcohol. Them really enjoy alcohol. I'm getting you don't. I'm getting you don't enjoy alcohol so much somebody feel like you're underage. The 8 of Cups is clarified by the 2 of Pentacles. The 5 of Pentacles is clarified by, yes, the girls them here. I'm getting you used to hang out with these women. I'm getting them drink. I don't know. I was never friends with women who drank. That was just not my type of friends. That was not my type of, that was just not somebody I trust. Because when that bitch drinks, she can divulge the whole of your secret and she can divulge the whole of her secrets too. Worse if the bitch can't control her alcohol. Cause me getting enough. So, okay, maybe this is a thing where you're okay for drink around man, but you're not drink around women. Me getting a not drink around woman, you're not sit down with no woman and have no drink with them, but you will do it with men. Something like that. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Five of Cups. Yeah. The Star card. Now maybe somebody I invite you out really and truly because they just want to be seen with you. And I mean, I'm sure the cool and hip place to be is like sports bars, restaurants, anywhere with like a big screen TV and alcohol being served. I'm getting something about, is this twins? Are two people who look exactly alike? Because I'm getting the Page of Cup offering you a drink over here and you said no. And then him disappointed over here. So maybe somebody invited you out before and you said no. And them don't know if they're supposed to invite you out again. Because I'm getting somebody saying I don't want to get rejected 2 times. Or again, somebody saying, you know, she always has spent time with women, drinking with women, partying with women. Is she feminist? Is she lesbian? Why she not want to hang out with a man? Maybe you're not a person who indulge in alcohol or any type of hard type of intoxications. And I'm getting majority of people who you date or majority of people who you meet, that's how they are. I don't think you're against it. I think it's a circumstance. I want to know how you stay again, because obviously the thing that everybody would do is go to a bar, sit and drink and, you know, have a good time. But I'm getting, you're not that bitch. You're not that bitch to be going, I don't know, it's ghetto. It's ghetto. I don't know if you feel like it ghetto. But I'm getting something about this Page of Cups who want to talk to you. Maybe the Page of Cups want you to invite them somewhere, but then, I don't know, I feel like somebody afraid of rejection for a second time. But we have 88. We're getting something about something happened twice. Yeah, 2, so the 2 year. We're getting something happened 2 times. 8, you walked away twice. Them trying to do something 2 times, the 8 of Cups. And another 2 times is this person. I don't know if this is 2 different people who asking you the same thing. Like both of them are asking you for go the same place. Both of them are asking you. I don't know. I'm getting. It's like you go to a restaurant with this guy and him offer a bottle of Cartier. And then you go out with a second guy, him bring it to the same place offering you a bottle of Cartier. And you're like, what the fuck is this? You feel like in a loop. I am confused. This is confusion. I am confused about this. Pisces. Maybe the Pisces want you get confused. Because I'm getting somebody, I'm getting something keep and repeat. Different faces, or the faces look similar and the attitude is similar too. We have Illuminati. This is your reading, so you know what's happening more than I do. Okay? I'm getting two Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio men. I'm getting 8 of Cups 2 times, and then we had the number 2. Something a loop, it's going into a loop again. We have Ophiuchus. We have Libra. Yeah, Libra rules the 2 and Pisces rule 2s. We have Pluto, and we also have Mercury. Mercury rules Gemini. It also rules Virgo, which again is 2 different zodiac signs. Getting something is 2, something is coming in 2s, or me getting something when come back around. Or me kind of get, I don't know, me getting something is duplicating in your life 2 times and it going to end the same way twice, by the same person, or by 2 different people who look the same. This is witchcraft. This is fucking witchcraft. Somebody have you in a fucking circle. That's all I can say. I'm going to leave it here, Pisces. Until next time, goodbye.